Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back here to share with you several Stamps of Life hauls. And it is the stampsoflife.com, Stephanie Barnard. I have been a member of her die club, her Die Hard club for years and years and years, off and on, her card making club. When we had our family members so sick, it became overwhelming for me, and I just had to take some things off my plate. And so I just came back, and I want to show you. They sent a welcome to the club, and I think discounts. It's telling me, welcome to the club. I hope you enjoyed this special gift for becoming a club member. And I think that's the card club. You'll receive your club discount on orders placed on the website. Machines and fan gear not included, and free shipping in the U.S. on orders $100 or over after your discount is applied. Okay. Thanks for being a club member. Happy stamping. Hug, Stephanie. So this is really cute. Look at that stamp. It says, hello, you make me happy. Thank you. Happy birthday. Here's wishing you happiness and joy that never ends. Thinking of you and missing you too. Sending my love. The heart that loves is always young. Oh, I love that. And happy. So what a beautiful gift stamp. So I'm going to say that. And I love her note. That is so sweet. And then I believe, let me just kind of go through this. I think this is the June kit, because we were traveling so much, it's kind of hard to know. So with every Die Hard kit, you get an idea card, and it's so sweet. It gives you ideas on what kind of cards to make, how to do them. She also has free videos on YouTube and a card gallery on her website. So anything ocean, I love. So this is June. It says, it's your birthday. Let's celebrate. You are special. Life's a beach. See you soon. SEA. Call me on my shell. And like, call me on my cell. So then here's all the beautiful shells. And here's the dies. Gorgeous. Again, Stephanie, that's a winner. And I think I ordered some of the backup ones for those. But I will know in a minute or two. Because once I get everything done here, I got to go get my stuff put together. And so this is, I think this was May. So when you order, you get right in. So this one says, and I'm not sure what I did with the card. I'm sure I have the card somewhere. It's just probably not right here. Happy birthday to one fine apple. That's cute. Too cool. Got the sunglasses. Summertime. Hello. Party like a pineapple. Stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. I love that. And then the words to stamp, the words to die cut are, you are pineapple. That's cute. And that one says welcome, like the pineapple's the sign of hospitality. Super cute. There's the glasses, the little pineapple, the big pineapple. Coordinates beautifully. And there you go. Good job, Stephanie. Love it, love it, love it. Now, I also ordered some extra goodies. So, I think she was having a big sale. Yes, I think she was. And some of this may have been from the sale, and some of this may have been to get me to the point where I got free shipping or something. I don't know. Who knows? Let's see. And this doesn't tell me the prices. It just tells me what was in it. So, I love this. How are you? Congrats. Surprise. Thinking of you. So, you can use that a multiple different ways. So, anyways, I thought that was really darling. She doesn't just do the words. She does the background that goes around it. I love that. The shadowing. And then here's You Are One in a Million. So this goes in a drop-in card. I love this. Super cute. And our son's getting ready to graduate, finish his master's, so I thought I would do that for him. I don't know if I'm going to do You're One in a Million, but I like some of the other stuff with it, the stars. This one says love you, and then XOXO. Absolutely love this. So there are two dies, the inside, then the outside. And I love that one. I know this was on clearance, so I absolutely adore her card, these that she designs, and look what you get in it. It's insane, all that you get. It is crazy. So right there, love you. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, there's a butterfly border. I'm going to do something with my daughter because it's her birthday. It's coming up. So there's the butterfly border. So super, super cute. This was on sale. This is a Framelit Step Ups card. And I love these. These are great. Oops. Oh, and this is a mini. Okay, this is a mini petite card, so I'm super excited. I thought that was small. This is a mini petite card, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. I cannot wait to play with this. It's going to be so much fun. So here's another one, and it is, let's see, that one was called, I don't see the name on it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll figure it out. So this one is another mini card, and this one is Thinking of You, and I love all that. So again, it's a frameless stand-up card. You get 21 dies. This one had 14 dies in it. It's crazy. So there's, whoops, one came out. There's flowers, there's wording, there's all kinds of just endless opportunities. So besides the actual card itself, so I love that. I'm going to keep that open because I'm going to put those papers down in. Is what I do. So this one is another frameless flip it. This was on sale too. This is another mini, and there's 17 dies in this kit. And I think these kits are really inexpensive. I believe they were on sale. So for those of you who don't know, my husband raises bees, so I thought I would do something here. His birthday comes up this year, for this year's birthday. I thought I would do something there, and there are all kinds of goodies for that center circle. And then here is the actual card die itself. It also embosses and scores, and there's nothing she doesn't think of. So absolutely adore that. Okay, so why all these mini cards? Because this was on sale. This was the mini envelope. Look, it's scalloped and it's punched and it's gorgeous. So it doesn't just come with that. It comes with all this other good stuff with it. This one I'm going to open. We're going to take a look, and I want you to see how much she gives. Now this I received for my birthday. Well, I'm going to use that term loosely. I was given a Big Shot Pro Plus, but I've never been given it to open yet. And it's fair. We got the flu the day before my birthday. We were sick, and you know, we were sick for a few weeks. Then our family member, we couldn't get in because they all had the flu, and then she passed away. So I am, another die came out. I am going to get my Big Shot Pro and unbox it and say, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. So there's 16 dies, and there's 2 of them outside, 3 of them outside. It did not like that trip. Okay, so it's a good thing they put that bag in a bag. So here is the envelope itself. Isn't that darling? Look at what else you can do. You can punch out little other goodies to decorate. And whoops, I'm going to put that one up here. So you can see you can put a scallop on that. You can also put hearts. Isn't that cute? A heart and a heart. Let's see here. You can, let me put all these down so I don't lose them. Okay. This is a really darling kit. So let me move that out of the way so we can see. So you can make a stamp, and then you can punch out a butterfly, and it can make also, you know, the center of the stamp. And you can back it with another color. Here's a snail. Here's a heart. Here's a flower. Here's a bee. It just doesn't end. Here's another flower. Okay, and I think that's it for that portion. You can also punch out the word hello and decorate your envelope. You can decorate it on your card. You can also make a label out of these for your return address, your business, whatever. So those little guys fit in here as well. Here is a for you, so that says for you. And then here is a heart that goes around that. Isn't that cute? So you can, you know, basically use that as your background for that for you. And then here is a scallop edge foot. For goodness sakes, isn't that crazy? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I got extra ones, so I counted something twice. That, it really was 16 dies. Goodness gracious. So, long story short, I was like, I gotta have that. I gotta have that, that mini envelope. And then I thought, well, I don't have any of her mini, I have tons of her card framelits, but I didn't have any of her mini card framelits. So, voila. That's what encouraged those purchases. So, and seriously, this was all on sale. How cute is all of this? And it all works together. So, super, 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 super cute. I cannot wait to start making beautiful cards. And I want to make several, many thank you note cards for our oldest daughter. And I can share more later. But I am super excited. And I think they're all going to come out of these kits right here. So that's how I do. I just take the paper. It doesn't quite fit all the way, and I should trim it. I probably will. I usually trim the edge, but that's how I do it. And then I store them in my baskets like that. Or my, whoops, sorry, earthquake, sorry. Okay, so here is my card club kit. So let's see. Uh-oh, she's got another. That is so the stamp must have been to come back to the Die Hard. So she is so sweet. And then here's this. Welcome to the club. Same thing. Oh gosh. So then she sent me an extra stamp here. Oh my gosh. Stephanie, you're so sweet. I don't know if you're going to see this or not. I know you answer your email. You're so sweet about that too. And yeah, super excited. I've always loved her design, her colors, her all of that. And when my life settles down, one of my bucket lists is to someday maybe be on one of her design teams. But I got to get busy, got to get going again, and just enjoy playing. So, but I've met them, she and her husband, at conferences. They're just the nicest people. So, oh my goodness, here's an extra goodie for you. Aren't you glad you joined the club? Oh, look, aren't those beautiful? Goodness gracious, Stephanie. My goodness. So these are all gifts. She is amazing. Okay. Okay. Wow. I'm humbled. So here's the beautiful gingham pink, beautiful yellow. Look at these embellishments. Gorgeousness. And they all go with the summer goodies. The pineapple. Remember earlier? So the colors of this kit are candy guava, kiwi, green apple, banana, lemonade, ocean, and sea glass. So I love the shine, and I'm going to try to put it so that you can see both sides. I think you can here. So in every page is cardstock quality. It is not like designer paper. It is designer cardstock is what it is. So amazing quality. Thank you, Stephanie. I love the pink. It's kind of a pink striped, light, pink on pink. Beautiful pineapple, a little bit darker pink on pink. I love all the palm trees. We were driving in the back roads of Texas this weekend, and not south, east. And if ever we'd see like palm trees, I just instantly, like joy flooded over me, and I so miss the palm trees. I love palm trees. So here's some of that gorgeous yellow pineapple that matches our die and stamp set. Love that pink and the flamingos. Love that green striped, green on green, and then these dots. And then you've got that kind of turquoise. I'm not sure her official color name is. I need to learn her color names. It's either ocean or sea glass. But anyways, that's gorgeous. That just makes me happy. It's such pretty colors. Ooh, there's that beautiful green and flamingos, the yellow, the smaller pineapples, the smaller green. That's green. That's just kind of a flat green with a little bit of like color dimension, a little bit lighter there, but it's basically a green. And then I love these, the miniature of those, the miniature. So that works perfectly with those miniature cards. She's so smart. I love that yellow, and I love the miniature pineapples, the miniature shine, more of that beautiful, I think that's sea glass. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Okay, so we repeat again. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No other way to say it. I absolutely love that. Oh my goodness, Stephanie, 3 gifts. Thank you for welcoming me back, guys. So here is Life is Better with Friends. You're super sweet. Sending sunny smiles. Hooray for today. Well, hello, darling. How are you today? I love that. My grandmother used to say that. Oh, goodness. I almost said it the way she said it when I read it. Okay. My channel is named after my grandmother. She meant a lot to me. I've had multiple, two businesses and children also named after her. She was huge in my life. Huge. Let's celebrate. Love this. Okay, not gonna cry. Just love it. Okay, I love the shine and then the outline, the shadow die. Absolutely love that. I'll do the card in a minute. Look at those buttons. Isn't that just yummy? Oh my gosh, I love those colors. Okay, that just screams summer. Look at that gorgeous twine. I saw her open this on YouTube, and this was a surprise. And look how much twine is there. I love that. And then look at these. Oh, these are so cute. They're Ray stickers. Absolutely darling. And then here's the idea card. And this one is the May kit. Oh, I still have a June kit coming. Yay. So shine. Oh, love those. And then, like I said, there's the yummy, oh, what do you call that? Ribbon. Wow, this is packed. I don't remember these being this full. Okay, so she sends you enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12 cards. So 12 envelopes. You have the white. And I've got to get her names down. But you basically have a white, and this is really, really good, heavy cardstock. Way to go, Stephanie. I don't remember the kits being like this, but they were beautiful, and they always had lots of good things, but I just don't remember them. I don't remember the paper being this quality, and I'm probably just remembering incorrectly. I can go back. I still have some kits I haven't put together in my studio, but anyways, look at what she gives you. Oh, for goodness sakes. This is crazy. And that was so thick I thought I had two. Look at those yellows and this gorgeous blues. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So, alright guys, if you don't know much about Stamps of Life and Stephanie Barnard and all the wonderful yummy things that she does, please, I encourage you, go over to stampsoflife.com and go see. And again, it is, pardon me, thestampsoflife.com. I think I said the, but maybe I didn't. So thestampsoflife.com, and also go look at her on YouTube, here on YouTube. Go see all of her amazing videos. She's cute as a button, and this is definitely another woman business that I love supporting. She does this with her husband, but she is the main creator and designer, and I really, really appreciate her. So, alright guys, most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at JosephinesDesignscom@gmail.com. It's also listed below and in the About section. Or you can leave me a comment. I'm not as fast on the comments. Please forgive me, but I'm not. And I'm just being honest, keeping it real. And if you have, what was I going to say? If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you subscribe. The reason why I was saying that is so that we can encourage each other. We can encourage each other. If you have this kit and you make goodies, please send me pictures. I cannot wait to see. I love looking at what everybody else does, especially in our group. Y'all are so amazing, and I am just humbled. And who in their right mind, she's in her right mind, gives that many thank you gifts just to come back? So, I mean, so you guys, I know you guys that you're a member of all this. Definitely send your pictures. We'd love to see them, and I can easily make a page on my blog, and if it's okay with you, I will ask permission, and you guys, and I will give you credit and all of that, and I will be glad to share your work as well. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you, like I said, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm not sure if I said that either. Have a blessed, creative day. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.